Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Zebian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In today's session, we will see the what is risk and what is a prevention and what is the um, losses of. Okay, so what is risk? Risk is a possibility that a threat exploits a vulnerability in an asset and cause damage or loss to the asset. Threat is something that can potentially cause damage to the organization, IT system, or network. Vulnerability means a weakness in the organization, IT system, or network that can be exploited by a threat. Okay. The relationship between the threats, risk, and vulnerability is when threats increase, risk is also increase. Okay. And when risk is increased, it indicates the protection requirements and met by the controls and protect against threats. If we are talking about vulnerability, means it exposes the information asset and asset values. It increase the risk and again it indicates the protection requirement and met by the controls. You can say that the some authorized hacker which can protect your data and which can save your data using their own programs. Okay, so these are the relationship between these three. And what is the threat identification? Elements of threat is the agent, the catalyst that performs the threat, like it could be human, machine, and it could be nature. Okay, so how to identify threat? Elements of threats is your like, and its motive is something that cause the against agent to act, like accidental. It could be intentional. Only motivating factors that can be both accidental and intentional is human. Elements of threats like the result of the outcome of the applied threat is normally lead to the loss of CIA. Okay, CIA means if we know the main objective of our information is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three are key objective of any information. Okay, we never lost uh, these we never lost this identity. So threat is employs external parties, low awareness of security issues. It could be the natural disaster and fire, flood, earthquake. Threat sources may be your external hacker, maybe internal hacker, terrorist, poorly trained, and every hackers have different motivation and every hackers have different threat. Okay, in external hackers challenge ego gameplay. They don't do intentionally. they they prove that they are the owner of your organization, owner of this internet world. Okay, and the threat of this kind of hacker is system hacking, social engineering, dumpster diving. In internal hacking, deadline, financial problems, disenchantment, backdoors fraud, poor documentation. Terrorist means, revenge political. It could be system attacks, social engineering, later bomb, viruses, denial of service. So these kind of threat is called in terrorist. Poorly trained means maybe unethical, unintentional errors, programming errors, data, maybe corruption of data, malicious code introduction, system bugs. So this is also kind of threats. Okay, so these are some kind of threats and viruses, virus attack, high user knowledge of IT system, system and network failure, lack of documentation, right? Natural crime, climation and fire. So how do we overcome this problem? Okay, we have some uh, idea by which we can protect our data. In early 1990, DTI UK established a working group, Information Security Management Code of Practice, produced as BSI disc publication. In 1995, it published the UK standard. Okay, so these are the history behind this, how to give the security in your organization. Okay, so we have already understand what is information is a combination of confidentiality, integrity, availability. It could be the compliances, information security policy, asset management, human resource security, physical security. So everything is required for secure information. Information security policy to provide management direction and support for information security. Organization of information security means management framework for implementation. Asset management means to ensure the security of valuable organizational IT and its related asset. Human resource security means to reduce the risk of human error, theft, fraud, or misuse of facilities. In physical and environmental security means to prevent the unauthorized access, theft, compromise, damage information and information processing facilities. In communication and operational management means to ensure the correct and secure operation of information processing facility. Access control, information system and acquisition and development maintenance to ensure security built into information system. Information security incident management means to ensure the information security events and weaknesses associated with the information system are communicated. Business continuity management could be there to reduce the disruption caused by the disaster and security failures to an acceptable level. Compliance to avoid breaches of any criminals and civil law, statutory, regulatory, or contractual obligation, and of any security requirement. So this it could be prevented, right? So see how we can establish the security. Plan plan establish ISMS, act maintain and no plan establish ISMS and do implementation and operates in the ISMS. Again check, monitor and review the ISMS and then act and maintain and improve. Okay, so these are kind of cycle, like when you apply the policy of your system and in your organization, then we have to follow this cycle. Is policy management review, check, process, corrective and preventive action. Management review is policy, security, organization. Okay, so these are the cycle. At the organization level, commitment is important. At the legal level, compliance. At the operating level, risk management. At the commercial level, credibility and confidence. At the financial level, reduced cost. At the human level, improved employee awareness. So, who is the center of security? Who is the center of security? So, information security policy. But we are the person who can save our information with wisely. Okay, so we have to be aware from technology and internet, how to use the internet, how to share the data, how to protect our data from viruses. So we are main responsible, and by some policies which is applied on the information security, we will discuss in the next session. And this session we have discussed about threat and information security. Okay, so thank you. This digital version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.